Hello children, hi, I am Fareen Miss. Today we are going to start English second chapter from English Balbharti textbook, Unit 1, that is 1.2, Activity Time. Do you know in English alphabet, that is from letter A to Z, there are total 26 letters. A, B, C, D, we all have learned this in junior KG. So let's recite again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Can you see those 5 letters in red color? A, E, I, O, and U. Those 5 letters are called vowels. And there's 21 letters in black color: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Those 21 letters are called consonant letters. So today we are going to learn about vowels and consonant letters. In vowels there are 5 letters: A, E, I, O, and U. In consonants, there are 21 letters: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We'll come to page number 3 of English Balbharti textbook, Activity Time. Let's read the lesson first. A. Let's play. 1. Form pairs. Second, close your eyes. Now one of you put your finger on any letter on the blue card. Third, now your partner will put the finger on any letter on the pink card. 4. Open your eyes. 5. Now each one of you has one letter of the alphabet. 6. Each pair has 2 letters. 7. Write as many words as you can which have both the letters you picked. So children, you can play this game by forming pairs. In pink box, 5 letters are vowels. In blue box, 21 letters are consonant letters. So let's assume in this picture the boy is Rahul and the girl is Priya. For example, Rahul has placed his finger on letter I from pink box from vowels, and Priya has chosen letter S from blue box, that is from consonant letters. Now they got 2 letters, I, S. With the help of 2 letters, they made different words like SIT sit, FISH fish, IS is. Can you see both the letters IS coming in all the 3 words? In second picture, same way they also made different words with the help of 2 letters: GOAT goat, DOG dog, FROG frog. Third picture, BAT bat, TALL tall, TABLE table. Without using vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, we cannot make different words only from consonant letters. These are vowels, these are consonant letters. Let's take an example of words. 5 letter vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, are used in each and every words. Now it is not possible to use words only from consonant letters. We will take vowels to create different words. Now for example, I have taken some words: STAR star, EGG egg, PINK pink, POT pot, J-U-G, jug. Letters which are in red color in words are vowels. Now if I remove those red colored letters, words will look like this: STR, GG, PNK, PT, JG. Words without vowels have no meaning and are unable to pronounce. Now letters in pink boxes are vowels and in blue boxes are consonant letters. Here I have written some words that have both the letters. A, P. APPLE, apple. TAP, tap. PAN, pan. Second letter ET. ATE, 8. THE, the. NET, net. IN. BIN, pin. IN, in. BRING, bring. OD. ROAD, road. GOD, God. WORDS, words. UW. WOULD, world. WONDERFUL, wonderful. WOUND, wound. So you can see all the two letters, those are in red color, are repeated in all the three words. Okay. So different words are made by using vowels with consonant letters. We will come to page number 4. Think and answer. Let's read first. Teacher, good morning, children. Children, good morning, teacher. Teacher, what is your name? Tejal, my name is Tejal. Teacher, what is the first letter of your name? Tejal, T. Teacher, what is the last letter of your name? Tejal, L. Teacher, how many letters are there in your name? Tejal, 5. Teacher, tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name. Tejal, tiger. Okay children, can you see the picture here is of classroom. Our teacher is asking Tejal what is the first letter of her name. So she replied letter T. And the last letter of her name is letter L. How many letters are there in her name? So shall we count on finger? T, E, J, A, L. All together are 5 letters. And the word she made from her first letter of name is tiger. Let's take an example. My name is Farheen. First letter of my name is letter F. Last letter of my name is letter N. In my name there are 7 letters. F, A, R, H, E, E, N. Okay. From my first letter F, words can be made a fish, fan, flower, etc. So children, you can also make different words from your first letter of your name. I hope you understand this explanation. So children, try and practice to make words as much as you can. Thank you children for watching.